Today we are going to learn about living things and non-living things. Yes, student, today we see many things around us. Some are living things and some are non-living things. Things that have life are living things like animal, plants and human. Things that do not have life are non-living things like umbrella, basket and truck. G student, living things need water, air and food. And non-living things do not need water, air and food. There is a difference between living and non-living things. Living things move, eat, breathe, reproduce and grow. Non-living things do not move, do not eat, do not breathe, do not reproduce, do not grow. Let's look at an example of living things. Baby is living thing because baby can breathe, can grow. Bee is living thing because bee is can move, can breathe. Plants, tree is living thing. Animal is living thing. Animal can breathe, move and grow. Now let's look at an example of non-living thing. Cup is non-living thing because it's not move, it's not breathe, it's not grow. Chair is also non-living thing because it's not move its by self, it's not breathe. Mirror is also non-living thing. Umbrella is non-living thing because cannot move, cannot breathe and cannot grow.